The suffix ous transforms words to describe qualities, states, or characteristics. It means full of or having the quality of something. Famous means full of fame. Dangerous means full of danger. Nervous means full of nerves. This suffix helps create descriptive adjectives from base words. The suffix ous means full of or having the quality of. Famous comes from fame plus ous. Dangerous comes from danger plus ous. Nervous comes from nerve plus ous. When you add ous to a base word, it becomes an adjective describing that quality. Famous means full of fame. You say she is a famous singer when someone knows many people. Dangerous means full of danger. You say that road is dangerous when it can hurt you. These ous words describe important qualities people need to understand. Nervous means full of nerves or worry. You say, I am nervous about the test when you feel scared. Anxious means full of anxiety or worry. You say she feels anxious before exams when waiting makes her upset. Emotions and feelings often use the ous suffix. Curious means full of curiosity or wanting to know things. You say the child is curious about everything when they ask many questions. Serious means full of seriousness or importance. You say this is a serious matter when something needs attention. These describe personality traits. Marvelous means full of marvel or wonder. You say what a marvelous view when something amazes you. Generous means full of generosity or willingness to give. You say he is very generous when he shares a lot. Ous creates many descriptive adjectives. Ous means full of plus quality. Base word plus ous equals descriptive adjective. Ous words always describe qualities or states. They help expand vocabulary. Now you understand how to recognize and use ous words correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.